Facing intense political attacks, Attorney General Merrick Garland delivering a blunt message to Congress.
I am not the president's lawyer. I will add, I am not Congress's prosecutor. The Justice Department works for the American people.
Garland appointed the special counsel who indicted the president's son, Hunter Biden, last week on felony gun charges after a plea deal fell apart. Hunter Biden says he intends to plead not guilty. But Chairman Jim Jordan, who's leading an impeachment inquiry into the president, blasted Garland for not prosecuting felony tax charges related to income from Hunter Biden's overseas business dealings.
What I'm wondering is why you guys let the statute of limitations lapse for those tax years that dealt with Burisma income.
This investigation was being conducted by Mr. Weiss, an appointee of President Trump. You will, at the appropriate time, have the opportunity to ask Mr. Weiss that question.
With former President Trump indicted by special counsel Jack Smith for attempting to overturn the 2020 election and mishandling classified documents, pleading not guilty in both cases, Republicans arguing the DOJ is engaged in prosecutorial overkill.
The fix is in.
Democrats defending Garland, saying the Republicans can't back up their claim. Facing hours of intense questioning, Garland, who's often talked about his Jewish heritage, flashing anger in response to a question about whether his department is targeting conservatives, including Catholics.
The idea that someone with my family background would discriminate against any religion is so outrageous.
Also refuting the charge by Mr. Trump that President Biden ordered his indictments.
Biden political indictments. He said to the Attorney General,
he's had nothing to do with it.
He said to the Attorney General, indict him.
No one has told me to indict, and in this case, the decision to indict was made by the special counsel.
A judge last evening denied Hunter Biden's bid to plead not guilty over video link, saying he has to show up in person like any other defendant. Mr. Trump, meanwhile, has asked the judge in his election conspiracy case to recuse herself, arguing she is biased against him. Craig?
All right. Our Justice correspondent Ken Dilanian. Ken, thank you.
Hey, thanks for watching. Don't miss the Today Show every weekday at 11 a.m. Eastern, 8 Pacific on our streaming channel, Today All Day. To watch, head to today.com/allday or click the link right here.